How to stream on Twitch from PS5. So the very first thing you want to do is to create your Twitch account. Well, you'll have to move into twitch.tv.com and select sign up in the top right corner. Fill out the form that pops up and then create your specific account. Once the account has been created, customize your channel. Twitch is saturated with game streamers, and the ones that stand out are those who take the time to make their channel look great. You can find all of your customizable settings in the creator dashboard. It's best to use a desktop for customization as you can more easily navigate the sidebar. Once the customization has been done, the next thing you want to do is change your moderation settings. Moderation preferences are made available for a few key reasons: to protect the broadcasters and viewers, to keep the chat flowing smoothly, and to maintain order during a stream. There are several moderation settings that you can change on Twitch, depending on your preferences. Some of them are auto mode, block hyperlinks, or non-mode chat delay. In order to change those settings, simply navigate to dashboard and then head over to settings, and inside settings move into moderation. Once the settings has been changed, the next thing you want to do is link your Twitch account to the PS5. In order to do so, navigate to the home screen on your PS5 and open settings. From here, you will be able to scroll down and select the users and accounts option. Click on link account and sign into Twitch as prompted. You can either activate your account online or use a code from your mobile. You will be given both options. Alternatively, you can use the QR code if you have an Apple device. Once it has been linked, now what you want to do is turn on your PS5 and launch the game you'd like to stream. When the game is open, press the create button on your DualSense controller. Select broadcast. You will be presented with platform options. You will have to select Twitch. Now it's time to set up your stream. Enter a title for your stream, then press the three dot to change other settings. Add your camera and microphone. Once you're happy with the settings, select go live, and that's it. You will be able to stream on Twitch. You are all set to start streaming your gameplay. So that's it, and this is simply how you can stream on Twitch from PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.